Hello, this is George Senda, the real official, original, authentic, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And I got so busy with the water all over the full place that I forgot. So this is the rest of the haul. I got 2 Safeway Rising Crust pizzas, one of which will be my dinner tonight. So that's my treat to myself for the month. And then I gotta go down and feed Mama Cat and Kitten. So I sopped up. Luckily, I bought paper towels and sopped up the water. So sorry I forgot them. They were sitting right in front of me. I see this flood coming out of the cup. You wouldn't think this cup would put out that much water when it tipped over, but it did. So anyway, more stuff coming in sometime this week. I don't know when, but I'm not going to look forward to going to the post office Friday because one of them is supposed to come in Friday. I don't know if it's going to come here or the post office, but in pouring rain, I may just say screw it and wait till Monday. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and hopefully you're warm and dry out there. And stay safe. Have a great weekend, even though it's only Wednesday, because I may not do a video tomorrow or Friday, depending on what comes in the mail. I've got one more video to do, I forgot, a short one, but I'll do that later. All right, be safe, people, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.